I'm Larry Leibowitz, Director of Culinary Operations for Guckenheimer. Today I'm going to show you how to make pepper vinegar sauce to put on turnip greens. A classic side dish from the South is braised turnip greens, usually with some bacon and onions. I've made that here earlier, and today I'm going to show you how to make the pepper vinegar condiment that goes on top. First, you're going to start off with white vinegar and sugar. You're going to heat that up. For every 2 cups of white vinegar, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, just plain granulated white sugar. And then I'm going to take that and warm that up until the sugar's dissolved. Here I have a selection of hot peppers from the farmer's market. Any selection will do, but I do advise you wearing some gloves before handling them. For some of the larger peppers, like these Fresno chilies and green jalapenos, I'm going to take some slices, making sure that they're small enough to fit inside the jar or bottle that you're using. In this case, I'm using a oil or vinegar cruet. I'm going to take these slices of pepper, push those through. Then I'm going to mix it up with some of these small chili peppers, and I'm just going to put them whole. First, I like to just poke them with the end of a knife to expose some of the some of the juices. I try to use a variety of different peppers because I think it's really a good appeal once they're brined and in the bottle. When you present this on your table, I love seeing the colors between the red and the green. And once I start getting to the top, you're going to notice it's harder to poke them through. So what I do is I just take some simple chopsticks to help push them down through the neck of the bottle. Now that I fill out the bottle with the peppers, I'm now going to transfer that vinegar sauce. Take my vinegar and sugar. I like to pour it off into a separate container so I can control it as I'm pouring it into the canister or into the cruet. Take a simple funnel here with my warm vinegar solution. At this point now I have a pourer top that I can position right on top of the cruet. I'm going to refrigerate this for 48 hours, being careful to keep it in the refrigerator when not in use. Hope you enjoyed this simple and easy way to make pepper vinegar sauce for your turnip greens.